Enjoy 6 days of red hot deals when you visit OK Furniture's in-store or online to shop bedding, furniture, cellular, audiovisual, and home appliances. Remember, if you find any item cheaper at any other store, we'll beat it. Prices valid from the 28th of May to the 2nd of June 2024 while stocks last. Terms and conditions apply. It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. Hello and welcome to the weekend of the Nedbank Cup. Senibulisa nonke ke bantu baseMzantsi Afrika. Sithembe into ke nivotile nonke ngamanani aphezulu. Ndivotile, uvotile uJustice. Sivotile ke kweli lizwe. And I'm sure that it's 3 different parties as well. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter as long as you guys voted. There's a guy I like about to ban. Uvuyo Zungula with ATM, I like him. I kind of also like EFF, although of course, but you know what, we are human beings. Not so I many choices like if you want to mention them, but the most important thing is that I split my vote between 2 parties on those 3 different ballots. Sahamba ke so vota sonke. Mr. So, if you want to, if you don't want to, it's fine.
Yeah, Mr. Gil, number one, it was very important for us to go and vote.
Yes, sir.
And if you feel good, uRamaphosa wakho yamthumela ukuthi nomfethu usaqhubeka kulomlide umuthi mawuthi utho mamela ndoda ungangilida mhlambe ku provincial but ngifuna ukuthi le phezulu kwamampela mhlambe ngithi ngifuna
ukwaza mkhonto
mkhonto madoda kube njalo konke kulapho wena Mr. Nkewu then ukuthi everyone because this is a big cake so everyone needs to share.
I think the interesting thing obviously politics are divided, so I don't want us to go too deep. But I want people to normalize this idea. I think all 3 of us actually voted for 3 different parties, just from conversation. The interesting thing, there's something I want. Oh yes, is that we're actually probably going to be we're definitely going to be led by different political parties, and that's going to be interesting to see. Do we still have load shedding now that we have? Because it can be a combination of ANC plus Umkhonto, or ANC plus EFF, or ANC plus EDA, or laba bonke abathole bahlangane bonke ba exclude the ANC. It could be different things. I don't care which one it is. Do we still have load shedding? I think that's going to be an interesting one.
Mr. Gil, you know, I always say. The problem is not the person. The problem it's amongst us in terms of how we do things. Because whoever that is to lead us, but if we're still gonna continue in the sense our lines answer where we don't respect each other, when you can't do things according to the book. I mean, for me, I find it very strange. Ukuthi angeke iti iBotswana line next door. They don't have load shedding,
but they can
electricity from us.
There you go.
Then it's somehow then you want the problem whoever Nami I can be a president, but remember as a president, Mr. Nkewu, you've got people that are assigned to do things. And now unfortunately some of these people they fail the presidents. It was now before and even now Nusserel himself now some of the people that are working La Panaba assigning to do things they're failing him because a lot of things has changed sitting Tina president.
There you go. Thank you very much, Mr. So we hope, of course, you also voted and enjoyed that day off on the 29th of May. It was an extra holiday or extra day off, even though it took 2 hours. For the suburbs. 2 or 3 hours. Maybe it's because of those 3 different ballots and other challenges as well. So I'm glad I see into Banakla vote. Date by every 5 years. So thank you very much, South Africans, for casting your vote for whichever party you think is going to work for you. Now, it is the Nedbank Cup weekend. It is Orlando Pirates versus Mamelodi Sundowns. It's been very, very, very difficult to watch these 2 teams playing against each other, particularly this season, because kubekho eliqela ke ngokunalo lizama udlala but engabikho good enough and then iba attritional game ibe attritional ngomso ke ngumthandazo into bake imbombela is sold out ngethemba lento bake abantu bazawufika begcwele njengoba bebathengile amatikiti kudala ke ba sold out imbombela kwasekuqaleni the moment that they announced the venue and they announced the tickets as well. We hope that the two teams will be able to give us a good game. It's a final. Mr. So-and-so, what's your feeling about it though? You've played in these kind of games. It's the last game of the season for a lot of players except for the ones that are going to be playing for you. Bafana.
Yeah.
Amachita, what's their mindset now? When it's the last game of the season, it's a final as well.
Mr. Nkiyo kunjani mfowethu?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise wena, ngibulise Justice. Ngibulise Juna, nginibulise nanemakhaya. Cela support njalo like Diski TV. Ngizobe nje njalo ngijike futhi. Mr. Nkiyo, you know Kusasa it's going to be a very different ball game altogether. Even now I can tell you the mood both camps it's tense. Mr. Nkiyo, it's very tense because the Pirates win MTN8 beating Sundowns. And Sundowns now they think to themselves, look, we want to prove a point to you guys. We want to show you guys that it was a mistake when you guys in that final. And
the MTN8 final.
Yes, MTN8 final. Yes, and the Pirates now they come with the post to say you guys can take the league, but you know the two trophies. Those are two trophies for us. So yes, and again, the pride between the two coaches will always come to the stake, and it's going to be a very interesting one. Very interesting.
Yeah, I suppose even nama t-shirt, amatches, we're going a special project.
Mr. Nkiyo, makunje akulala. Mawulala ulala ngelihleli wami. Uvuke uyodla breakfast Mr. Nkiyo. Kasetshenzwa ezinye izinto Mr. Nkiyo
Do you think both teams are going to do that?
Yeah.
Because you played for both teams.
No, but I'll be lying if I will say Sundowns. I know other things. I'll be lying. No, Sundowns, we are not doing anything.
Beningayenza special project.
Yeah, no, Sundowns, no.
All about tactics and paying players.
Yonke into uyabhadala ibonus yakho iyalungiswa ukorile uyanikeza imali yakho kusasa ekuseni nje kunjalo. So ngapha ukhumbula iclub le yethu le ngapha.
Up the Bucks.
Esimnyama ngenkani.
Ibankulu.
Mse ke le team ibuya kude le team.
Yes, sir.
It's very important.
And ayikho team ikona team endala currently.
No, iyophe.
1937.
No, iyophe.
Up the Bucks.
Zonke zala abantwana baphuma la.
So
ngeculture yethu is very important that uhlale kancane wenza ukhamba yabona. Ngoba mongenza ukhamba waza kuflathela abantu abadala Mr. Nkiyo. So special project yilento leyo ukuthi team enkulu kufanele ukuthi
uzobona ibhola ezithu.
Ya uzawabona kusasa kana double up kusasa.
Amabhola amathathu.
Ya kusasa nje balisa nje. Bakangalishaye umakhehleni lathi wabona za kanje we3 hayi uyobambela ka right kanti le la ka left.
So the MTN nithola kanjani?
Yeah, no Mr. Nkiyo mawumdala.
Wawubona umoya so MTN. Umoya eDurban.
Wabona wena umoya eDurban, umoya waseCape Town. Cape Town yesiyazi ukuthi umoya nawo. eDurban bese ubona nemvulanyana. Ilanga lila. So mele wazi Mr. Nkiyo ukuthi mawumdala ngokukhula uyazi ukuthi mawumdala kufanele wenze ini. Mawufika la uzojumpe la mawumdala. Angeke ngijumpe njengothatho ngithi masishane angeke ngisalunga manje kufanele ngithi qala ubalance kithi
what eDenmark nani ngazenza
hayi no lena bayazi ukuthi yini
eDenmark nani ngazenza
no bayazi ukuthi yini leyo noma uyenza akekho nozokunaka futhi ngoba bakwazi ukuthi wenzani but lana mangahle nje akusukile siyashela kusukile mfethu hayi ngoboyenza phambi kwami lento lena mfethu hayi ungangibamba mfethu uzongibamba after game so that's how we are thina abantu abamnyama.
What's your feeling about tomorrow? You see, this is a strange question to ask.
Yeah,
because I'm sure Juneka is going to say the same thing.
Yeah,
same with the derby. If the derby was playing tomorrow, I was going to say Pirates clearly is a stronger team than Kaizer Chiefs, obviously.
Yeah.
Right, currently. Not historically, we're just talking now, in the moment. Currently, you will always choose Sundowns over Pirates.
Yeah.
Current. Just based on the strength of the players.
Yes.
However, When they play against each other in the last 4 matches, including the final, including the 2 league matches,
Yes.
it's 1-0 Sundowns, it's 0-0 in the MTN 8,
Yeah.
and then it's 1-1 again. Away to Sundowns, I think it's at Loftus.
Yes.
The 3 matches that they've played, and maybe you could even go back to the previous season. What Pirates is doing is just stifling. Anizuyidlala.
Yeah.
Anizuyidlala. So nikhahlela anizuyidlala. Now, to answer my question to myself, I would think the Sundowns are stronger all the time. But if you think about the 3 matches that we've seen, it's not strong so much that they win 3-0 and then it's
Yeah.
over. So it's very difficult. What's your feeling about it?
Look, Mr. Geo, I see Pirates. Yes, they're going to be, very strong physically to them, knowing that Sundowns, when you give them, space and time, they will hammer you.
Yeah.
Like bazoqhaqha nje bakubeke ngama-piece if you allow them. But Pirates, one thing that I love about them is they can work when they need to work. They can, if they have to really fight, they
Yeah.
can fight. And the other advantage that they do have is that they do have very smart players. Even though they can fight and then give Abumfuking, give Maswanganyi,
Mabasa.
give Mabasa Lapan. Makitlin can also craft in that midfield. So they do have that a bit of an advantage when it comes to hard-working, fighting that midfield, because Sundowns, they don't abalwi.
So your feeling currently is Pirates?
No, I'll give it to Pirates. I'll give it to
That's very
Pirates.
interesting.
They can fight. Sundowns, I love them. They play good football. But one thing that I've realized is that when you harass them, they get short-tempered.
Yeah.
They tend to lose control of the game. And now with that mind of Pirates to say we're gonna harass them, but when we've got the ball, this is what we're gonna do. Masongani, Mufukeng.
Sophuma kanje.
Now abantu abazosiza for us to get a goal, and of which and again with that defense, abantu kudlala nga-3 ba-stretch, but they need to be very careful ngomfukeng nangomaswangani nangayimabasa.
Final score prediction?
2-1. Pirates will win the final 2-1.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Mr. So and So. I love this. I love this prediction. It's bold. You would imagine Sundowns, but he mentioned something very interesting also. He mentions something very interesting. Is that when you're disruptive, when you grab them a little
Yeah.
bit, when you
Yes.
you can see that it throws away or throws out the gate the potential of playing or with Shushan and Piano when you're disruptive. We saw that, of course, with TS Galaxy. We saw that in all the matches that they've played against the Pirates, that it becomes very difficult for them to share the ball. Is perhaps something feedback to Sundowns players and the coaches? Look, treat this as if you were playing against Wydad Casablanca. Yeah. They're going to kick you, but against Wydad Casablanca, you usually play against Esperance or whoever. But it's going to be interesting. We'll see tomorrow. Of course, you can go to wsb.co.za as well if you think you want to back any of these teams in a betting sense. It is Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.